to get a cable through a tank, you would use one of these Tradux cable clamps. This is an expanding joint that fits inside there. I'll show you in a minute. I'll just clamp it all to the tank first. Or if you need a hose, then you use a hose tail, different sizes according to what one you've got. The Tradux comes with two clamps, one on the inside, one on the outside. For the hoses, you have a rubber gasket, so that goes against there first, and then you use the clamping ring, which is that. Screw that on. You do that up tight. Then you put your gasket, this, inside there, so that will seal up when you clamp it down. And then if you hold the inside, you can give that a good tighten up. Don't need to overdo it because it's a rubber and that'll squash down. And then what you do then, you put your clip on onto the hose, and then what you normally do, that would have some water or a little bit of fairy liquid, and then that would give you just enough to get your hose on up to the stop. Then you push your cable on, cable clip on, and then tighten that up. So that's how that one works. Then that will be clamped up tight, and that'll make a waterproof joint for getting your pump water to a filter. And you can have another one coming back in if you want to go to a water feature or something like that, or indeed just go, after you've been through your filter, just go up the back to a water blade or something like that. I'll show you the cable clamp. That's this little device here, so you put your cable through there, then you put that in, and then you've got a key here, hex key, and you just tighten them up in turn until they start expanding up against the collar on the outside and on your cable on the inside. That needs something to bite onto, so and it's just a case of just doing them up until it starts to clamp up, and that's it. Do all four up, and then you've got a seal. So if you've got a cable going in there, and then you'd have another one here for your water going in and out from your pump. So you do another 60mm hole and do exactly the same thing. Gasket onto the smooth side, clamp up with the ring on the inside, and then put your gasket into your hose tail and screw up tight. And there you have it, how to get some water in and out of a tank.